Let's learn and speak. Hello everyone and dear children, once again welcome back to Let's Learn and Speak French with English. Before entering into the video, please consider to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for more interesting upcoming videos. Today in this video, we will learn that how to pronounce the numbers from 40 to 50 in French. Aujourd'hui, dans cette vidéo, nous allons apprendre comment prononcer les nombres de 40 à 50 en français. 40 40 40 40 41 41 41 41 42 42 42 42 43 43 43 43 44 44 44 44 45 45 45 45 46 46 46 46 47 47 47 47 48 48 48 48 49 49 49 49 50 50 50 50 Once again we repeat 40 41 42 43 44 45 46 47 48 49 50 Thanks everyone for watching this video. Please subscribe for more interesting videos and kindly provide your valuable likes and comments.